Hey guys, if you saw my last video, you saw the Celtic knot handle that I made for the coffee scoop for my mom. This one is going to be for my sister. This is actually a piece of her fireplace from her new house that she bought this year. So I want to turn this down and do the same thing but make her a pin. The problem with this is a lot thinner than that piece of walnut, and if you watch that video, I'll link it up above if you want to go see. But the Celtic knot inlays didn't go like all the way through, and since this is so thin, I need to figure out a way to make sure that it's going through all the way. So let's go ahead and get to it, and I'll show you guys how I fix that problem.
Just like in the last video, we're going to start over on the bandsaw and work on our inlays. To avoid the problem that I had the last time where the inlays weren't getting all the way down to the bottom, I used a little piece of veneer and used that to wedge in that fabric and get it all the way down to the bottom. You can also see when I get on the bandsaw, I've got a block clamped to my miter gauge. That way I can get this cut in the same place over and over again. Now we've got our inlay done, we're going to throw it on the lathe and turn it down. Once we've got it all sanded, we're going to add our finish. I'm using my Lance friction polish here to finish this one up.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if you liked it, think about giving us a thumbs up and subscribing. I've got a lot of new stuff that I'm working on that's going to be coming out. So make sure you check that out. And if you want to see everything that I'm doing, make sure you check me out on Instagram or TikTok. It's crafty.couplecreations on there. Here's a little preview of what my next video is going to be. I'm really excited about it. Before we get to the pen, it's a little mater. So let's check out this pen and make sure you subscribe to see how I make mater in the next video.